Hello, my name is Jovi Ray. I am a school nurse. I was born and raised in the Philippines. I came to the United States with my family in May of 2006. I am married. We have 3 daughters. I've been working with the Fairfax County Health Department as a public health nurse for school health for almost 3 years now. Before I came to the county, I have a 13-year hospital experience with Innova Fairfax. So I used to be a women's and children's nurse. There came a point when I said I want to learn another facet of nursing. So one of my co-workers who also works as a public health nurse told me about school nursing. And I got interested because it's a different kind of nursing. When I worked in the hospital setting, I worked 12-hour shifts 3 days a week, and I work 2 weekend shifts, which means 4 days in a 6-week rotation. When I leave for work, my children were still asleep. By the time I come home, my children are already ready to go to bed. So when I shifted to school health, I now have shorter hours. Although I work 5 days a week, but it's only 8 hours a day. Nursing is fulfilling anywhere, whichever field, but you have to make sure that you also take care of yourself and you balance it with family time too. For Fairfax County, school nurses cover several schools. Currently, I have 4 schools, and I am responsible for developing healthcare plans for students with chronic health conditions. I also train school staff for specific health procedures. So examples of this would be how to administer EpiPen, and another would be G-tube feedings for those kids with G-tubes. We have a lot of families who don't have health insurance, so we have to refer them a lot to our clinic and neighborhood health. So we give them the resources that they need to be able to support them and their kids. Being surrounded by teachers and students makes me feel young and vibrant. School nursing is a unique field of nursing. It's like a holistic approach. It's not just one person, it involves the whole community, and you can still utilize your nursing skills, but it's applied in the school setting. It's not just the student, it's the student's family, it's the community that's contributing to all these factors that would making sure that our kids stay safe and healthy while they are in school. I love my job. I love it. It's fulfilling.